Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to log out your TikTok Lite. First, launch your TikTok Lite app, and here we can see on the bottom right corner that's my profile menu. Tap on that, and here we can see on the top right corner there's a three dot icon. Tap on that as well, and we have to scroll all the way to the bottom, and here we could see the option that says logout. We simply have to tap on that option, and here we can see that you won't need to enter your login info the next time you use TikTok on this video. So you can save this login info just tapping on the save, that you don't need to enter your password next time when you come to this TikTok app. And here we can see we are going to log out, so tap on the logout. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope I could help you, and we can see that we logged out of our TikTok. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.